Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I'm here to talk about interactive play with your cat. Why is interactive play important? Because by nature, cats are hunters. They run behind the prey, they catch it, they kill it, and then they relish the victory of their prey being dead or the prey being killed by them. So, since cats by nature are hunters, a lot of domesticated cats are not able to do what they normally would in an outdoor environment, or if they were strays, they would usually hunt their prey, eat it, and then go off to sleep. Since a lot of us have domesticated our cats, it's important that we do not take the cat out of its basic nature. The basic nature being the cat being a hunter. Now, interactive play is actually a very powerful tool. It brings about a different personality of your cat. A very shy cat, a scared cat, can come out and be a little more confident, a little less shy with interactive play. Interactive play also helps you to build a strong trust between yourself and the cat. It makes two cats or maybe more cats become friends with each other. Interactive play is also a very positive way to release the negative energy or the negative aggression in your cat in a very nice way. You know, the cat who is usually aggressive, usually shy, comes out as a very different personality, a very different cat once the pet parents start doing interactive play with the cat. Why exactly? Because it actually enriches the basic nature of the cat. The cat is able to have a stealthy approach towards the prey, pounce on the prey, kill the prey, and relish the victory. That's what keeps cats going. That's what builds confidence in the cat. That's what makes a cat feel. Although I'm not in my natural environment, which is outside on the tree, but this home is actually mine. Simple examples of interactive play is, not just small balls that you get with bells who move arbitrarily. They're not enough. The cat is not able to actually kill that prey. I would like to introduce you to a small and a very easily available interactive toy. Just give me a minute. Here, this one. So this one is a stick here. It has a string attached, and then I have tied some jute rope here, which represents some kind of an insect. All I do is, when I'm playing with the cat, wiggle this, like this. It grabs the cat's attention immediately, and the cat tries to pounce and kill on it. However, instead of having the cat easily kill the prey, I would encourage you people or advise all of you to have the cat or tease the cat a little bit for at least about 10 to 15 minutes before actually the cat can kill the prey. What I've also done is I have attached a few pigeon feathers that I found in my balcony. I have cleaned them with boiling water, but not with soap, simply because it has the pigeon essence in them. With this, the cat actually feels as if he is hunting a pigeon, which he would otherwise because he's a stray cat. And it becomes a very enjoyable activity for both me and the cat. I advise all of you to please invest a minimum of half an hour, split across maybe 3 or 4 playing sessions a day with your cat, because it then gives the cat a very enriching and a very positive environment in your house. Cat by nature is a hunter, so please ensure that you encourage a hunting behavior in your cat by interactive play. For those who do not have an interactive toy in your house, you can either make one just the way I have made for my cats, or you can buy interactive toys. These are also called teasers. They're very easily available on any of the websites or any of the pet stores which is around your locality. Ensure that you play or do this interactive play with the cat at least 3 to 4 times in a day. It is very, very important for your cat's mental health to release that aggression, to release the tension. Otherwise, what we will have is a cat who is all the time aggressive, or who is trying to attack your ankles, your knees, your heels, because it looks like a prey to them. Okay. Additionally, please do not leave the interactive toy in the vicinity of the cat when you are not playing with the cat, because any interactive toy has parts that the cat might chew, might swallow, which is hazardous to the cat's health. So ensure that the interactive toy comes out only and only when you want to play with the cat. Do not leave it unattended with the kitty if you do not want any health hazards to happen with your cat. Please remember, your cat's true personality is not to be shy. Your cat's true personality is not aggressive. Aggressive cats, shy cats are generally showing symptoms of a lot of stress. Make sure interactive play is very pleasurable for yourself and the cat. I am sure you will see a different side of your cat's personality. Take care. Cheers.